Hi there, it's Nina Nandagopal at almostpractical.com, and today I want to talk to you a little bit about how to use a desk calendar. Before I get started, I just want to say that all the products in this video were provided to me by Erin Condren, and I love Erin Condren's products for keeping me organized year after year. So the desk calendar, you might be wondering, why do you need a desk calendar if you keep your calendar online on your phone, or if you use a planner like this one? Why do you also need a desk calendar? And there's many reasons. I find that having a calendar for a specific purpose is very important. And with a desk calendar, it's front and center. It's on your desk. It's smack in your face reminder of the things that you want to get done or that you need to get done. So if you use your desk calendar very intentionally, it can be a huge tool in helping you achieve the goals that you set for yourself. The one thing that I like about this calendar in particular is that it actually has a space to write your goals. Let's say you have a goal. Now, I guess the first step would be to pick a goal that you want to work on, and that you want to use your desk calendar to help you accomplish. So let's say you have a goal of improving your finances, improving your budgeting, managing your money better. A desk calendar is a great way to do this. You can write down the due dates of your bills. You can carve out time to work on your finances every week. So maybe every Monday you sit down and you pay your bills for the week, balance your checkbook, you analyze your credit card spending, but you carve out your time to work on your goals. You also write down the due dates, and these are smack in your face. The important thing to remember with a desk calendar is to use it for one goal and one goal only. So if you have blogging goals, like for me this year, one of my goals is to grow my blog and my business. And if I'm going to use my desk calendar to help me with my blogging goals, then I'm not going to commingle that so much with my financial goals, because you get overwhelmed. If you have so many notes, if you use it for doodling, if you have birthdays on here and blogging goals on here and budget goals on here, it becomes noise. And when you sit down at your desk, all you see is like a doodle pad, and that's not what a desk calendar is for. A desk calendar, when used correctly, is a huge tool that has, your reminders so you don't miss things. If you're missing bills all the time and you're using this for finances, the only thing you should put on here are those due dates. So when you sit down, look at today, is whatever bill is due. Did I pay that? Or, you have them planned out and you cross them off as you pay them so that you can visually see what things are due and how, when you're going to pay them. So that is really the best way to use a desk calendar, and it's sort of a supplement to your online calendar and also to your planner. It's like right in front of you. You don't have to open the book. You don't have to log into your computer or check your phone. When you sit down at your desk in the morning, you see it and you can just, systematically go through the things that you have to take care of. So again, I hope this tip helps you stay organized in the new year. And my name is Nina Nandagopal at almostpractical.com. And I hope that you'll follow along on this YouTube channel for more organizing tips and practical ideas that you can use at home and in business. Thank you so much.